Hi, I'm Teacher Donna. I'll give you some extra knowledge related to the topics. Giants in nature. The boy in the poem imagines that he is a giant inside, but there are some real giants in nature. Come on, let us take a look at some of them. At up to 110 feet in length and 181 metric tons or more in weight, the blue whale is believed to be the largest animal ever to have existed. The largest living bird is the ostrich, reaching up to a height of over 9 feet and weighing 93 to 130 kilograms. The largest living reptile is the saltwater crocodile, with adult males growing up to 14.8 to 16.5 feet long and weighing more than 1,000 kilograms. The largest tree is the giant sequoia, average height 165 to 280 feet and 18 to 24 feet in diameter. The largest land animal today is the male savanna elephants, weighing 7,000 to 10,000 kilograms. The title of largest flower belongs to the species Rafflesia arnoldi. One of these flowers can reach a diameter of 3.3 feet and weigh up to 11 kilograms. Don't Tell. Don't Tell is a beautiful poem written by Irene Yates. The poem tells us about the thoughts of a little boy who wishes to behave like grown-ups. Don't tell. There are lots of things they won't let me do. I'm not big enough yet, they say. So I patiently wait till I'm all grown up, and I'll show them all one day. I could show them now if they gave me the chance. There are things I could do if I tried. But nobody knows, nobody knows that I'm really a giant inside. New words. Enough. I have enough amount of money to buy a storybook. Chance. I got a chance to sing in a TV program. Giant. Tractors have giant wheels. Patient. The teacher was patient with the naughty boy.